Are you feeling like your body isn't as strong or flexible as it once was? Maybe you're worried about losing mobility or energy as the years go by. Here's the good news. With just 10 simple exercises, you can reclaim your strength, improve flexibility, and protect your health at any age. Whether you're in your 40s, 50s, or even your 60es. Stick around because this could be the game changer your body has been waiting for. 1. Squats, the king of functional fitness. Let's start with one of the most effective exercises, squats. Squats target your lower body muscles, particularly your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. But it's more than just a leg workout. Squats improve your core strength and help with balance, which becomes crucial as we age. Why they matter? As you get older, maintaining strong legs ensures you can stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or carry groceries with ease. Squats mimic everyday movements, making them highly functional. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips back and down, as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest upright and your knees behind your toes. Slowly return to standing. Start with bodyweight squats and, as you progress, add light dumbbells to increase resistance. Think squats are too simple? Wait until you hear how they can help prevent falls and even reduce back pain. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about independence and freedom. 2. Push-ups build upper body strength. Push-ups are an underrated exercise, but they're incredibly effective. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Plus, they can be modified for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced. Why they matter? Strong upper body muscles are essential for everyday activities like lifting, pushing, or pulling. They also promote good posture, reducing the risk of neck and shoulder pain. How to do it? Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body toward the floor while keeping your core tight. Push back up to the starting position. If a full push-up is too challenging, start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Gradually work your way up as you gain strength. Did you know that just 10 push-ups a day can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease? Stick around to find out which exercise on this list can improve your heart health even more. 3. Plank, the ultimate core stabilizer. A strong core is the foundation of a healthy body, and there's no better exercise than the plank to build core stability. Why it matters? Your core isn't just your abs, it includes your back and pelvis too. A strong core improves posture, reduces back pain, and enhances balance and stability, which are crucial as we age. How to do it? Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Hold this position for as long as you can. Start with 10-20 seconds and work your way up to a minute or more. Think you're too old for planks? Think again. Even 20 seconds a day can work wonders for your stability and protect your spine from injury. 4. Lunges, balance and strength combined. Lunges target your quads, glutes and hamstrings while challenging your balance and coordination. They also strengthen each leg individually, which can help correct muscle imbalances. Why they matter? Good balance reduces your risk of falls, a leading cause of injury in older adults. Lunges also improve hip mobility, which tends to decline with age. How to do it? Stand upright and take a big step forward with one leg. Lower your back knee toward the ground while keeping your front knee aligned with your ankle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other side. If balance is an issue, use a chair or wall for support. Every time you skip balance training, you're increasing your risk of a fall later in life. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Start with lunges today. 5. Deadlifts. Strengthen your entire body. Deadlifts are often seen as an advanced exercise, but they're incredibly beneficial when done correctly. They work your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and even your grip strength. Why they matter? Deadlifts mimic the motion of picking up objects, which is a common daily activity. Strong posterior chain muscles help prevent back injuries, a common issue as we age. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold a dumbbell or barbell in front of your thighs. Hinge at your hips to lower the weight down your legs, keeping your back straight. Return to standing by, engaging your glutes and hamstrings. Start with light weights and focus on form to avoid injury. I once met a 65-year-old who reversed years of back pain just by adding deadlifts to their routine. Could this be the solution you've been searching for? 6. Bridges strengthen your glutes and core. Bridges are a low-impact exercise that targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while also engaging your core. Why they matter? Strong glutes are essential for hip stability and lower back support. Bridges are also great for improving pelvic floor strength, which can decline with age. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Lower back down slowly and repeat. For an extra challenge, try single leg bridges. 7. Step-ups, a cardio and strength combo. Step-ups are a fantastic exercise for your lower body and cardiovascular health. They target your quads, glutes, and calves while also getting your heart rate up. Why they matter? Step-ups mimic climbing stairs, an activity that often becomes challenging with age. This exercise improves your leg strength and endurance, making daily tasks easier. How to do it? Use a sturdy bench or step. Step up with one leg and bring the other leg up to stand fully. Step back down and repeat, alternating legs. Add light dumbbells for extra resistance. If climbing stairs leaves you breathless, step-ups can change that. Imagine moving through your day with more energy and confidence. 8. Bird dog improve balance and coordination. The bird dog exercise is excellent for improving balance, coordination, and core strength. Why it matters? As we age, maintaining balance becomes crucial for preventing falls. This exercise also strengthens your lower back, reducing the risk of injury. How to do it? Start on all fours. Extend one arm and the opposite leg simultaneously, keeping your core tight. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Focus on slow, controlled movements for maximum benefit. 9. Shoulder press. Protect your shoulders. Strong shoulders are essential for daily tasks like lifting objects or reaching overhead. The shoulder press strengthens your deltoids, triceps, and upper chest. Why it matters? Keeping your shoulders strong and mobile reduces the risk of injuries and stiffness, which are common with aging. How to do it? Hold dumbbells at shoulder height. Press them overhead, then lower them back down. Use light weights to start and gradually increase as you build strength. 10. Walking, the underrated hero. Finally, let's not forget the simplest and most accessible exercise, walking. It's low impact, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts your mood. Why it matters? Walking strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and helps maintain a healthy weight. It's also an excellent way to clear your mind and reduce stress. How to do it? Aim for at least 30 minutes a day. Incorporate hills or brisk walking to increase intensity. Remember, it's never too late to start. Imagine feeling stronger, healthier, and more confident with just 10 simple exercises. Which one will you try first? Your body is capable of amazing things, no matter your age. By adding these 10 exercises to your routine, you're investing in a healthier, happier future. Don't let age define what you can do. Take charge today.